Now let's talk about the looping statements. There are many looping statements in Rust. There is the loop statement and it's infinite loop. It's an infinite loop that continues until explicitly broken. And there is the while statement. It's known in the other languages. It executes a block of code as long as a condition is true. And there is for loop, and this for loop iterates over a sequence of items, executing a block of code for each item. Okay. Now let's see how we can use those loop statements. Let's starting with the loop in Rust. So that's the way we are doing loop. It's a loop, and within a bracket, this will be executed until it's broken. Okay. So which time it will be broken here? It will be broken by this condition. It will do a counter, and when this condition happen, which is number 10, it will break out and print this message to make sure to announce us that it will be a breakout. Okay. Also added this sleep. It's functionality to do a sleep for 1 second, just to simulating. Maybe it's convenient for this case to do this sleep for a second. So let's see what's happening. Let's close the program and run it again. Okay, Argo watch run. Now you can see how is 1 second is convenient here. So now when reach to the 10, breaking out of the loop of 10 iterations. Another example, you can, for example, do a loop, and when user pressing a specific key or different type of keys just broke it. So there are different ways you can like breaking the loop. Okay. That's for the loop. Let's talk about the while. The while, let's call it here. So let's talk about the while loop in a statement in Rust. So the while loop, there is a condition here. While this condition is true, it will keep running, running, running. Okay. But if this condition broken or it's false, that means it will be not continue. Here, for example, it will like make counter plus 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 until it's while it's less than 10, it will continue, continue, continue. If it comes to 10 or more, it will just break down. So let's see how it's happening here. 1, 2, 3 to the 10. So plus 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 10. After in the 9th, when counter is 9, it come here and plus, so it's 10. When it return back, counter is 10. So that means it's not achieved the condition here. That's why it just break down and it's finished. So that's the way while loop working. Okay, that's the while loop. For loop statements, let's see here in the function. I just mentioned different type of making the for loop, and there are other ways, but that's popular one. So the simplest one is that we have an array, okay, and this array have some numbers like this, and just you will do for loop, the name of the variable, and the list which we will loop over, okay, and do what you want inside the for loop. Another way is that this is a normal loop also. You will just say, please loop from number 1 until it's equal to 10. So let's make a note here. We'll make this have like, we can say normal. Okay. Normal number. And here, reversed number. And here we will say array number. Can you make a new line just to separate all of them? Okay, so let's see the implementation. So here, for example, this is the normal one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see it's coming to the 10 and stopped because we say it to the 10. That's a way. Another way, by reverse. It will be starting from the reverse, 10. And then get back to the number 1. That's the reverse. And here, the array. The array will start from the first one, which is number 1, till the end, till the last one, which is number 5. That's the way for loop. Okay?